Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. My husband and I we're going to Angel Island. Hello guys, good morning. For today's video guys, samahan nyo ako. Pupunta kami ng Angel Island. Doon guys, ang Angel Island is located in the Bay Area, California. Is around surrounding Golden Gate, in California. Golden Gate Bridge, California. In this area, we are going to pass by San Rafael Bridge. San Rafael Bridge is quite long ways, so it's easy to go there guys. Just exit going to Tiburon. Tiburon ang exit natin guys, papunta ng Angel Island. Itong island na napaka-ganda. Kung sa Bisaya pa, kung gusto ka mag-getaway for one day, magsakay lang ka og lansa, magsakay ka og barko, usa ka kaadlaw dito, pwede. Pwede kang mag-picnic dito, pwede kang mag-biking dito, pwede kang mag-hiking dito, o pwede kang mag-camping dito. $30 lang po ang ilahang pamasahe dito po. So magandang sa activity ng one day, no? Pwedeng mag-picture dito. Bisayahon lang nato guys, kay lisod ka ning magtagalog po ta. Usahay tagalogin din natin At dito nakarating na tayo sa Tiburon. Naghanap tayo ng parking lot. The parking lot here is cost $5 a day. So maghahanap tayo ng $5 a day ng maluwang na, no? Sometimes you guys can after early magi-early bird tayo kasi parang marami tayong mapagparkingan dahil po yung Tiburon is known as maraming maglalansa, maraming magtutour ng kahit saan-saan, kung saan dito ang mga taong galing San Francisco, ang mga tourism dito po ay nagpunta diyan sa Angel Island. Ang Angel Island isa po sa mga pupuntahan po nila sa ilang mga destination kung sila po ay mag-tour. Okay, so iwan ko ba bakit at my 53 years old we just find out with this island that is a lot of activities in this island. So let's go guys, join with us to our adventure for today, because this is going to be a fun day for all of us. So at this time we are about to depart, so everybody is getting ready about their ticket. Everybody to have a printed ticket already. Make sure you have your hat, glasses and jackets because it gets windy to go there and also windy to go back. Okay, so dito po magla-line up na tayo, magiging ready na tayo para hindi tayo ma-late. So magbantay tayo po sa mga time nila na sila ay mag-depart, kasi may tatlong tatlong biyahe yata sila. Sa Bisaya pa na tulo ka biyahe sila. Sa akin ni nakasakay na ta na anata dire mag-inom-inom sa tagkape. Pwede mo magdala og kape, magdala mo pagkaon ninyo kaysa ibaw that's what I said. Pwede kayong mag-camping doon. So dadalhin ninyo ang lahat ng mga gusto ninyong dadalhin, mga pagkain, hindi bawal po. Lalo na po sa tubig po, magdala kayo ng water kasi water is expensive. How much a bottle of water there is like $5. So but anyway, so magdala kayo ng mga pagkain at saka inumin ninyo pwede. Pwede ka mo yung mag-overnight picnic, no? Pwede kayong may mga doon, may mga activity doon, mga kahit ang may bag-biking kayo, may magmuni-muni ka kung kailangan mo ng mga place na pwede mong saan mag-iisa ka or mag-inusara ka. Very nice, right? Enjoy the ride with my coffee. Welcome to California Homes. Ayan, papunta po tayo ng Angel Island guys. Yan po ay that's Golden Gate. We're passing Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, so we are going to Angel Island. for a day. Ganda-ganda ng weather ngayon guys, oh. Wow! Let's go! At dito po, nakarating na tayo sa destination natin. Welcome to Angel Island. So guys, grabe pala ang istorya dito sa island na ito kasi yung mga taong nagpunta dito start 1700 na na-found itong island na ito. Yung mga taong galing from all over the world katulad ng from Russia, from China, from Mexico, from Philippines, yung mga tao kahit saan sila galing, ina-isolate dito po for 40 days bago kayo ilipat sa ibang sa ibang island po sa around United States. So dito muna sila, meron silang immigration entrance dito guys, meron silang basta yung mga tao dito muna mag-umpisa kasi parang safety. Kaya mabalik na ng barko dito sa Pikas. Pantalan ang maghakot na pa mga tao.
10 years ago, the first coyote swam over from Tiburon. A year later, I think our count is up to 135 already this year, with 3 sets of twins. We're only on the tram. There is absolutely no standing. This is purely for your safety. If I see anybody standing, I apologize, but I will stop and you'll get off and you'll walk back. Everybody have a great street.
Angel Island is right in the heart of the wonderful, special place.
Please note that directions I gave are from the point of view of someone facing the front of the water on the northwest side of the island is prized by boaters on San Francisco Bay. For those who don't have a boat, Angel Island is one of the bay's best-kept secrets. As the tram turns left away from the cove, we'll pass one of the island's picnic areas. All of the major sites on the island have picnic tables, water fountains, restrooms, parks, visitor centers, at the park headquarters. Angel Island is the largest island in the bay, 740 acres, a little more than 1 square mile. It's a California state park. The Angel Island Association is a private, non-profit organization that provides valuable services for the visiting public. This tour lasts approximately 1 hour. The only way back to shore is by ferry boat. To the left, along the hills near the mouth of the bay, you'll see the houses of Sausalito. Now let's move on to Camp Reynolds, the first U.S. Army post on the island. Ahead was a hospital. It was completed in 1904 and was used for training Army surgeons. Camp Reynolds features the largest collection of wood-frame Civil War buildings left in the nation today. In the 1980s, Dr. Robert and Mary Noyes restored Quarters 11 and the bakehouse at Camp Reynolds. They lived here in an army tent while they worked.
In that tent, we were visited by Iraq.
The work of Bob and Mary Noyes was a powerful inspiration for today's Angel Island Association. From here, you have an overview of Camp Reynolds. The grassy incline is the parade ground. Past the parade ground at the water's edge is the remains of a pier. An artillery battery was down along the shore to the right of the pier. Notice the red building ahead with bark that's hanging in strips as if it's been shredded. The leaves are long and pointed. This is a eucalyptus. It's an exotic species here. That means it isn't native to Angel Island. Before Europeans discovered the bay, native trees such as the toyon, madrone, coast live oak, and bay laurel covered much of Angel Island. That all changed in the early 19th century. Whaling vessels cut their firewood on Angel Island. In just a few years, they stripped the island of most every tree. When the army came, they planted large portions of the remaining grassland with exotic species, including eucalyptus.
We found them planted in rows, just like corn. So what we have are acres upon acres of eucalyptus trees, where we should have had a mosaic of native plants, trees, and shrubs.
Working to limit them to a few groves near historic sites. Battery Ledyard. This was the site of one of 3 artillery batteries built on Angel Island after the Spanish-American War. Battery Ledyard was completed in 1904 and declared obsolete in 1909. No military installation on San Francisco Bay has ever fired a shot in anger.
Ryan, do you see Alcatraz too?
All right, folks, we're here for a few minutes. More than welcome to get off, get some great pictures. The binoculars are free, so don't put no money in there.
Oh, wow.
Jolene, go out there with your daughter.